friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking quinoa in a rice cooker. What we need for this recipe is quinoa, water, and salt. So first we're going to measure out 1 cup of quinoa. And I'm just going to use dry quinoa. This one is already pre-rinsed, doesn't need to be rinsed. So put 1 cup of quinoa in a rice cooker. And now we'll add 2 cups of cold water. And finally, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now let's close the lid of the rice cooker and press the cook button. Now the rice cooker is done cooking, so let's take a look at the quinoa. Perfectly cooked. See, rice cooker is not just for rice, it cooks quinoa perfectly. So let's transfer it to the serving dish. Amazing texture, looks so fluffy. Look at that quinoa. Rice cooker did all the work for you. You're going to love cooking quinoa in a rice cooker. It looks so good. Now let me try it. Look how fluffy, perfect texture. So good. Perfect. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.